Guys, what's up? It's me, Captain A3E, with special aircraft review on the Boeing 727. Now, a little background on the 727. The 727 made its first flight in 1963, and it was delivered to the airlines in 1968. Now I'm going to discuss the problems of the 727 on landing. Look on how the cockpit is on this United 727. When you see an aircraft coming in for a landing, the pilots need good visibility from the cockpit as the runway is coming up. As the runways come up, as they flare in for a landing, they need to see the runway at least 100 feet. Now, the problem with the 727 is the clearance from the cockpit to the nose of the aircraft. Both the captain and the first officer needs to see the runway as they're coming in for a landing. Once they come in for a landing, then they have to place the thrust reversers to slow the aircraft down and bring it to a complete stop. However, the 727 was involved in a number of accidents throughout its career. Throughout the 1970s and into the 1980s. One of the most notorious was an incident that happened in California. It was a PSA 727, just like this one, that was coming in for a landing into Los Angeles International Airport. It was bringing employees from PSA. And as the 727 was coming in, the aircraft was involved in a mid-air collision with another aircraft. Both planes went down in a residential area with a huge loss of life. 148 people on the ground was killed. And this was in 1987, and the 727 would be plagued with a number of problems throughout its career. Now, the other thing is, I'll show you in 1 second. Look at the arrangement of the 727's engines. And you can see here on the 727 is that cargo airliners such as UPS want Sun to keep the engines quiet as the aircraft is in flight, especially coming in for a landing. So basically what they did, they placed hush kits on the 727 to make the engines more quieter. And some 727s, for example, were fed with RATO. RATO is the acronym for Rocket Assistant Takeoff. By using the 727 for short field takeoff, which they only need about 100 feet of runway to take off from. They only need only about 500 feet to get into the air as quick as possible. Aeromexico and Mexicana had that done to their existing 727 fleet. And however, the 727 was plagued with a number of accidents throughout its long career. And by 2006, The airlines just had enough of the 727, and they retired the 727 almost about 35 years of operational service with the airlines. TWA Airlines did away with their 727s before 2000. National, Pan Am, People's Express, Continental Airlines, Delta, American Airlines, PSA, US Air did away with all their 727s, and basically the last ever to do so, to do away with their 727s, was UPS, FedEx, and DHL, which they retired their 727 fleet. And this aircraft right here, if you go to Chicago's Museum of Science and Industry, you'll be able to board this aircraft and take a tour of the aircraft. And there's another 727 that's at Boeing's Museum of Flight in Everett, Washington, where it is in United's old livery. Well, not in this livery, but their livery from the 1960s. Alright, that's it. That's it for this special aircraft review on the Boeing 727. This is Captain E3E saying thank you very much for watching this video. And please, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the Airport Lounge, this is Captain E3E, wishing y'all a very good night.